Kid Smart Teaching Artist, and my name is Miss Erin, and today we're going to be doing an art activity that I really love, and it's called Finish the Picture, okay? And what you will need is a sheet of paper, a pencil or some crayons or colored pencils, some scissors, some glue or a glue stick, and an old magazine or catalog. And what you're going to do is you're going to flip through this catalog and you're going to find a picture of anything. It could be a picture of food, it could be a picture of furniture, of the outside, of an animal, of a person, whatever you want, okay? You find an interesting picture and you're going to glue it to your paper just like this, okay? And then, once you have it glued on your picture, you are going to take your time and you're going to finish the picture, okay? And so I am pretending like I'm finishing this picture, and I'm going to make a funny looking face with this picture. Okay, and so just so that you get an idea of what you can do, I already started finishing this picture, right? But I picked out a couple of other ones to show you an example. For instance, I picked out a school bus as well, and instead of drawing a normal passengers, I drew little kitty cats inside of my finish the picture. So it can really be whatever you want. I also picked out a picture of some pancakes with bananas on top, and I decided to finish the picture by adding in some strawberries, some bacon, orange juice, and a little doggy right here, okay? So you're going to just pick a picture, glue it down wherever you want, okay? And then you finish it, all right? Well, it was awesome to do this video for you guys. I hope you guys have fun doing the Finish the Picture activity. Bye.